installed Mar James Pateril, CMF, as the new Bishop of Beltangadi, and as we honor Mar Lawrence Mukuri, the first shepherd of this eparchy, we witness once more the unfailing fidelity of God, who accompanies His people through every season of their history. At the outset, I extend my warmest and heartfelt congratulations to Mar James Pateril, CMF. The Lord, through the discernment of the Synod and the approval of the Holy Father, has called you to shepherd this eparchy of Beltangadi. Your life of commitment as a clerician, a zealous, committed pastor, and a deep, educated scholar, above all, a heart throbbing with the sentiments of a zealous missionary as St. Paul, the Lord has shaped you for this moment. As you begin your ministry, may the Good Shepherd guide your every step, and may you lead this flock with wisdom, gentleness, and missionary zeal. The story of the eparchy of Beltangadi is a moving testimony of God's enduring predilection and providence. What began as a quiet, courageous journey of our migrant faithful seeking livelihood, building families, and nurturing their faith in an unfamiliar surroundings, slowly grew into a vibrant and spiritually rich community, sustained by the devoted ministry of our priests, religious and committed lay leaders. It was part of Archdiocese of Tellicherry. I would like to recall to my mind the tears and the tiresome labor priests from Tellicherry, especially under the leadership of Sebastian Vallopulli, took to shape this eparchy to the present stature and status. As this community matured through prayer, sacrifice, perseverance, and organizational capability, Apostolic See discerned the need to give this portion of then Tellicherry Archdiocese a shepherd of its own. In the providence of God and through the paternal care of the Church, the eparchy of Beltangadi was eventually erected in 1999, marking a decisive moment in the life of our people. The first Bishop, Mar Lawrence Mukuri, embraced this mission with apostolic zeal of St. Paul and fatherly care and affection of St. Peter, guiding the eparchy from infancy to stability and the present growth and stature. Truly, as this blessed history enters a new chapter under its newly consecrated shepherd, we gratefully remember the past, celebrate the present, and entrust the future to the loving hands of Almighty God. It is my bounden duty to express our deep gratitude to beloved and most respected Lawrence Mukiri, the first Bishop of Beltangadi. I would like to tell you, I have met him after my episcopal ordination, but in the synodal hall, he is counted to be the most sincere visionary. Whenever we have trouble, whenever we have confusion, I tell you really the fact, when Bishop Lawrence Mukiri spoke, we get clarity. And his every intervention will be a continuation of the Pentecost, where the disciples received the courage. So on behalf of the whole Syro-Malabar Church, the past and the present, dear Father Lawrence, Bishop, I cannot express in words, the gratitude we owe to you. You were our senior guide. You were our well-informed educator. And you very often guided the Syro-Malabar Church's destiny to the horizons of peace, serenity, unity, and growth. We will never forget you. Thank you very much. Today we start a new chapter in the history of Beltangadi under its newly consecrated shepherd. We gratefully remember the past and celebrate the present and entrust the future to the loving hands of God. It is my bounden duty to express our deep gratitude to Mar Lawrence Mukiri, who for 26 years, long years, served as the first Bishop of Beltangadi with pastoral farsightedness, fatherly solicitude. Your Excellency, you built the parking literally from the ground up to forming communities, developing necessary infrastructure, nurturing vocations, and strengthening parishes, giving identity and dignity to thousands of Syro-Malabar faithful scattered in this strange land. I once again take this opportunity to thank you for your committed hard work and visionful farsightedness. All what we have in Beltangadi, with the collaboration of the priests, religious and the laity, you were the Moses from the desert to the promised land guided. Hearty thanks and congratulations. I would take this opportunity also to express my sincere gratitude and felicitation to Bishop newly consecrated James Patel. And I would like to tell you one thing. The Claretian congregation decided to start the first house in Pali, Kurvalangar. Then Archbishop Wiley of happy memories told them that you are a Latin congregation, but remember that you have an Oriental identity. Therefore, I permit this congregation to come to my diocese if you do your oriental structure and identity in your life. And dear General, I thank you very much. Even now we know that you are working in lots of Latin dioceses, but the Kerala province is very much committed to empower the Syro-Malabar Church with vision, with mission, and lot of liturgical insight. We are very grateful to you for your support and guidance which you have done for the Syro-Malabar Church. And I would like to tell the clergy, religious and lay faithful of Baltangadi, the synod is always a continuation of the Pentecost. In the place of Judas, the apostles came under the mediation of Mother Mary to find out a substitute. And now the Synod of the Bishops of the Syro-Malabar Church tried our best, tried our maximum to find out a proper, most suitable, loving shepherd to follow the path opened by Bishop Lawrence Mukuri. And James Pateri is that good shepherd. He is a language gifted man. He speaks German very well. He has a lot of connections. And he has also Kannada, he speaks very well. Malayalam, English. And I tell you, by Bishop James Pateri taking charge, the sheep of Baltangadi, from the strong leadership of our Lawrence Mukuri Pidavu, you certainly believe me, you will not lack anything. He will guide you to the pastures, green pastures, and he will do all what is possible in his capacity to make this diocese more organized, more structured, with more institutions, education, health care. And while we were discussing in the synod about his candidature in Syro-Malabar Church for Baltangadi, all the bishops in one voice supported, because you are a selfless, so committed, good shepherd like our beloved Lord. So I wish you all the best, and we expect from you lot of dreams and lot of achievements. May God bless you through the mediation of your founder, Claret, and all your co-workers. You will not lack anything here. With these words, I consider it is my humble privilege to declare this meeting open. Thank you.